Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Apple Pay to your Shopify store. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left side, click on Settings. Now look for the Payments option and click on it. This is where you manage all the payment methods available in your store. Once you're on the Payments page, scroll down and find the section called Add Payment Methods. Click on the Add Payment Method button. A window will pop up. In the search bar at the top of this window, type Apple Pay. Wait a few seconds for the results to load. If Apple Pay is available in your country, it will show up in the list. If you see it, click on it to select it. After that, follow the steps on the screen to finish setting it up. Apple Pay is part of Shopify Payments, so if you already have Shopify Payments turned on, Apple Pay should be easy to activate. Just confirm the settings and save. If you search for Apple Pay and don't see it listed, it means the feature is not supported in your country yet. Apple Pay is only available in certain regions, and if your store is based in a country where it's not supported, it won't appear in the list of options. To use Apple Pay, make sure Shopify Payments is enabled in your store. That's it. Thanks for watching.